Hello guys, in today's video we are going to find out which are the top 5 smartphones that you can buy under 20,000 rupees. Without any further ado, let's get started. Smartphone market has changed drastically since last few years, and competition to produce a good and cheap smartphone is getting cutthroat between the mobile companies. This competition allows us consumers to buy a good smartphone for lesser and lesser money. 20,000 rupees is a sweet spot for which you can buy a good mid-range phone. At number 5 comes the Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is the cheapest phone on this list you can buy, yet it has some solid specs on paper. Few days ago, its little brother, that is Redmi Note 9, was launched. But I think a Redmi Note 9 Pro is a better choice with regards to their price. A Redmi Note 9 starts at 12,000 rupees with some sacrifices here and there. The Note series is a major part of Xiaomi's success in India. If you have a really tight budget, then you can go for a Redmi Note 9 Pro. Next is Realme 6, and I must say Realme has captured a big market share in India, so much so that you don't see any budget phone than Redmi and Realme's. Realme 6 is also one of those. It packs a solid punch starting at 15,000 rupees, and I have noticed that Realme is the only company which is offering high refresh rate displays and fast charging phones even in budget. This phone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate display and a 30-watt fast charging. It's okay if you don't want to buy any of these Chinese produced smartphones. I have two phones from Samsung and Moto which you can buy. Samsung is trying really hard to make a space in budget market, and Galaxy M31 also tries to do that. It has a massive 6000 mAh battery which you don't see in many phones, and there is no competition in producing good displays with Samsung. Few days ago Galaxy M31s was also launched. Also, Moto has fallen out of the race in budget smartphone industry, but the Moto One Fusion Plus looks really promising. It comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset and 6.5-inch FHD Plus display, which looks really good for the price. If you don't want any Chinese phones, then you can buy one of these. At number 2, we have Realme X2 and Realme 6 Pro. Both of these phones are quite similar in specs, and Realme X2 is the only phone on this list which has an AMOLED display, which is a major plus point for the phone. Starting at 18,000 rupees, X2 is quite a good phone. The only complaint I have with this phone is a small battery. 4000 mAh battery might be inadequate for such a large display, and Realme tries to solve this problem with fast charging. Realme 6 Pro is also quite similar in specs with the X2, a downgrade in processor from X2, a little improvement in battery size, and a 90Hz refresh rate display. Although I love AMOLED displays, but I think Realme 6 Pro has a little edge over the X2. Now comes the absolute best phone you can buy under 20,000 rupees, that is Poco X2. It starts at 17,500 rupees, has top-notch specs for its price, features a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, a 4500 mAh battery with fast charging, and a 64MP quad camera setup. It ticks all the boxes for a good smartphone. This phone has been making some buzz around. If you have a really limited budget under 20,000 rupees, then you can definitely go for this phone. So that's all for today's video. If you find this helpful, then do like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.